got the gift of Seer. That's how people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions.
Do you know that alligator pepper is an instrument that you can use to send a message to the spiritual realm, and instantly your voice is heard if only you know how to use it? So in this video, I will be teaching you how you can use 7 seeds of alligator pepper, water to command money that you seek. So if you are the kind of person that money does not stay in your hand, you walk like elephant, you eat like rat, or you are the kind of person that once money enter your hand, 1 or 2 things will be coming that will take that money from you, or you are the kind of person that if money enter your hand, you don't even know what to do with that money is gone. Promise and faith, disappointment. This video is for you. Don't rush, don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any important step. With this video, I bet you 99% of your problem will be solved by special grace of the creator. Now let me tell you, alligator pepper, right? Alligator pepper is not just a spice, it's an instrument, it's a warrior that amplifies the power of your tongue. That when you use alligator pepper and water together, you are directly telling the universe you are ready to receive. So don't skip any part of this video for anything so that you will not miss important step. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, this is the Seer. I was born with the gift of Seer. That's why people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, what the problems and the solution. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern. Now back to today's video. How do you do this? This is not something I will have to lie to you about. It is something that if you do it yourself, if it work for you, come back to the comment section, come and give me your testimony. A lot of you normally come and meet me on WhatsApp and tell me, hey, this remedy work for me. It's better you drop it here on the comment section so that other people can do it. They can be motivated to do it, and it will work for them so that everybody too will be free from their spiritual problem. Now, how do you do this? Get alligator pepper. If you have, you can use the one you already have. It must not be new one. Remember, when opening alligator pepper, if you open it direct, you have make it a normal spices for cooking. But you have to take your heads back, open it from, pitch it open from your bag, then bring it forth. Now you are ready to use it for as a spiritual tool. Now remove 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Get a glass of water. Around 5 in the morning. See, any prayer you pray around 5 in the morning, that you seek for that day, you get it. That's why the best time to pray for what you want on a particular day or what you want it to come very fast is 5 a.m. in the morning. So if I'm going to meet somebody for a favor and I pray 5 a.m. in the morning, there's a 99% chance of that prayer be answered when I pray the prayer a day to or any time of the day or when it's already 6 or 7. Do you get Abby? So when you pray for something where people are still sleeping, especially favor, when they are still sleeping, you pray for them to favor you. Another 5 when the day is breaking, it works far more better. Declare what you want that period. Now get that 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put them in your mouth, okay? As you are chewing it, you will say this word: I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Anything I lay my hands on, I will prosper. I will walk like an ant and eat like an elephant. From east, west, north, and south, let money locate me. Money will come to my hand and stay. All those people that have promised me money, they will remember to fulfill their promise. My business will prosper. My workplace, my boss will love me. My workplace, all my colleagues will cherish me. Nobody will speak evil against me. If anybody plan to do any evil against me, let that evil go back to the sender. I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. So if it is job you seek, you pray, I want my dream job to locate me. Let that my dream job locate me ASAP. I want to get my visa. I want to get married to the right man. I want to get married to the right husband. 5 a.m. in the morning, as you are chewing the 7 seeds of alligator pepper, as you are chewing it, then you keep making that declaration. When you are done chewing it, you are going to use that. Remember, as you are chewing it, making that declaration, you'll be praying on that water while you are chewing. As you are chewing, you face the water, you chew, you are make declaration, praying on that water, make a declaration. Then you now use that water that I used to declare to drink that 7 seeds of alligator pepper you have chewed. Make sure you chew the 7 together while declaring on the water. Then you now drink the water. You have to do this for 7 days straight. I bet you by the time you do this for 7 days straight, if you are the kind of person that things have not been going well to you, within these 7 days you are doing it, you notice that shift in energy. You notice that even those people that forgot you will remember you. You notice that different in your dream. If you are the kind of person that you always dream of writing exams, seeing yourself in old places you have been before, you notice that that dream will not be like that again. These are the signs. Then after then, continuously at least twice in a week or once in a week or every day in a week, you can keep doing this particular ritual, because the more you do it, the more result you see. So I bet if you keep doing this one, why this one work is that alligator pepper you chew and brew and swallow, it helps to reactivate and fight against any forces that is fighting against you. So if you are looking for a particular thing and that thing is not coming, it's not ordinary. There are some forces that are trying to keep you in the dark so that you will not get what you want. But by swallowing this alligator pepper, making your declaration, this will vanish out. This will remove everything at all that is causing blockage in your life. Do this and get back to me. Your happiness is my concern. See you guys in the next video. Who the Zozo? The Seer case.